Hey guys, and in this lesson, we're going to talk about how to find a regulated broker. Now, having a broker that is regulated is very important as it protects your money. Now, the three criteria I look for is the broker regulated? What are their fees and commissions? And what are their account and leverage types? All very important. Now, a quick Google search will give you an abundance of brokers for you to choose from. So we could literally go to Google and type in what brokers to use for Forex trading as an example. Click enter, and this is going to present a lot of different companies. And then now it comes down to you and your due diligence. Does it tick the criteria in which you're looking for a broker? Number one, double check that they are regulated. Now, PFX, myself and my students, we use IC Markets. We are proud partners with IC Markets, and they fit the criteria of everything that we're looking for. So again, a quick Google search, type in IC Markets, brings you to the website. On the right-hand side, tells you a little bit about the company. They are an Australian-based company. They offer the leverage that we want. They have the greatest pip spreads I have seen in financial markets. But most importantly, guys, when I click on the website, the first thing you want to do is scroll right down to the bottom to see who has regulated them. And you can see here that they are regulated by a number of financial institutions around the world. And so it fits the criteria for everything that we're looking for. So if you want to get involved with IC Markets, then I have a link in the description for you to get up and running. And I can guarantee you they are a phenomenal company to get started with your trading journeys.